Welcome to car and truck accident situations. This white car has sped up and crashed into the black car's front. The car is also struggling when it loses control. That's just an idiot in car. At this intersection, the other car crashed into a moving vehicle. The car in front suddenly hit the steering wheel, causing the other car not to handle it in time, and the shouting was really loud. A lot of people stopped in the car. This guy is just gonna get bulldozed away. There he goes. This motorcyclist is also going really fast. The car is rushed in front of him. He's causing an accident. Somehow, this car is carrying another car, but it's having a real hard time moving. Just wait. This lady, she falls off her bike. She falls into the sewer. And somehow, everyone was able to pull her out. The car in front, he suddenly turns left, and he's making the other car unable to turn. This car, it hit something, and it affected everybody. The car next to me was driving without looking, causing a whole lot of wobble. The car was going way too fast, but he was unable to handle it. It seems the steering wheel has just fallen off the car. They must be very poor. This van is going really fast. It was supposed to slow, but it couldn't. And all three cars were affected. Another car going way too fast, and there was a collision at the crossing. Now we have an accident ahead of us, and it's causing a lot of dust. This one gets hit by lightning. How does this RV go anywhere with all that smoke? Just pure idiots in cars. This one was rammed from behind. It's causing a lot of smoke. They were sitting inside the car. It's jokes until somebody falls. This car is just crossing the road when all of a sudden another car hits it from behind. There's just a small accident ahead. A car went to the wrong side of the road, but no one gave way and the accident happened. What's wrong with this orange truck? The car is intentionally passed, but it did not handle it in time. Ow, oh, that is bad. A wall has fallen from the top down to the car below. Lucky for him, he noticed and ran just out in time. What do you think's happening to this white truck? It's driving around, it's affecting the cars behind him. Another light touch. Idiots in cars. This other car is going way too fast. A hit was also quite strong. And this one, he's collided, and he's tilted half of the car, and he's still thrown forward. This one has just collided. Ooh, and he's tilted the car half up. Do you think his brakes are broken? Or is he just not paying attention? Thank you everyone for staying tuned until the end of the video. Remember, please like and subscribe to our channel to support us. We appreciate it so much. This car was going too fast, it just didn't brake in time. Do we have an anti-theft effect? Yeah. These two cars just refused to yield to each other and caused a slight collision. The two cars are going to hit each other very hard and it's going to damage a lot. There was a car that hit the bushes here. It's causing something. The red car, it just came out of nowhere. Caused a slight collision. It looks like these cars were stuck together. Or they're just idiots in cars. Just be careful, one stone might fall. What's going on with these two cars? It's a little bit hard to tell. Maybe it's payback. As for this car, I really don't understand what's going on. He collided, he fell. Ooh. We have a car trying to reverse, but he didn't see the other cars behind him. That's an idiot in a car. This car lost control and he just flew into a stationary object. Hi, girls are crossing the street. Fortunately, that car stopped in time. And this one was hit from behind, really hard. These two are also stuck together, but they're on the sidewalk. It seems this car is intentionally showing off his swinging speed. Not a good idea, bro.